In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove all objects from chart in MetaTrader 5. If your chart is cluttered with trend lines, horizontal levels, Fibonacci tools, text notes, arrows, or other drawing elements, this walkthrough will show you the fastest ways to clear them out on the MT5 desktop platform for Windows or Mac. First, let's use the Objects list. Right-click anywhere on your chart to open the context menu. From there, choose Objects, then List of Objects. You can get to the same window even faster by pressing Ctrl+B on your keyboard, which opens the full list of every graphical element attached to the active chart. Once the Objects list is open, press Ctrl+A to select everything in that list at once. With all items highlighted, click Delete. Instantly, MT5 will remove every selected drawing object from the chart. This is a clean sweep, so it's ideal when you want a fresh visual without manually clicking each item. If you prefer to keep certain drawings, you can scroll through the list and deselect those before deleting. But if the goal is a total reset, selecting all is the quickest route. There's also a second method directly from the top menu. Click Charts, hover over Objects, and choose Delete All. MT5 will remove all graphical objects in one click. This is perfect when you don't need to review the list and just want everything gone. Both methods do the same thing. The first gives you visibility into what's being removed, while the second is a streamlined one-and-done option. A few useful shortcuts can speed things up. Ctrl+B opens the List of Objects window, Ctrl+A selects all items in that list, and the Delete key removes the selected objects from the chart. If you only want to step back through your latest annotations instead of clearing everything, press Backspace to remove the last added object one by one. Make sure the chart you intend to edit is active before using shortcuts. Click the chart to focus it, then apply the keys. Clearing objects does not remove indicators or change your market data. It only deletes drawings and annotations. It's a great way to reduce noise, prepare for a fresh analysis, or quickly reset after testing ideas. Use the Objects list when you want control and transparency, or the Charts menu when you want speed. That's all you need to remove all objects from a chart in MetaTrader 5 quickly and cleanly.